Discover the magic of AI algorithms as we unravel the secrets to crafting personalized learning experiences. Through this video, we demystify the process, featuring AI tools like ChatGPT and others. To use AI algorithms in a learning platform, identify AI tools compatible with your platform and check if they offer plugin support. Alternatively, if direct plugin integration isn't available, you can use APIs to establish a connection between the AI tool and the platform. Once you have access to AI algorithms on your platform, you can start utilizing them with just 4 straightforward steps. Step 1. Collect data. The first step is to gather data on the learner's preferences, strengths, and weaknesses. This can be done through various methods such as online assessments, quizzes, and surveys. Additionally, AI algorithms can also collect data on the learner's behavior, such as how much time they spend on different topics or how they interact with educational resources. Step 2. Analyze data. Once the data is collected, AI algorithms can analyze it to identify patterns and trends. This analysis can reveal valuable insights about the learner's learning style, strengths, and areas that need improvement. By understanding the learner's unique needs, the AI algorithms can personalize the learning experience accordingly. Step 3. Generate recommendations. Based on the analysis of the data, AI algorithms can generate personalized recommendations for the learner. These recommendations can include specific learning materials, exercises, and assessments that are tailored to the learner's specific needs and preferences. The recommendations may also take into account other factors such as the learner's progress and goals. Step 4. Adapt and evolve. As the learner progresses and engages with the personalized learning experience, AI algorithms can continuously adapt and evolve to the learner's changing needs. The algorithms can monitor the learner's performance, provide real-time feedback, and adjust the recommendations accordingly. This iterative process ensures that the personalized learning experience remains effective and engaging for the learner. Overall, by leveraging AI algorithms, personalized learning experiences can be created that cater to the unique needs and preferences of each learner, enhancing their learning outcomes.